In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a group meeting in Calendly. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you open Calendly, all the way to creating a shareable group event that your participants can book. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each part of the setup actually means, so you can avoid double bookings and confusion. First, once you're logged into your Calendly account, look for the main navigation area and click on Scheduling. This is where Calendly organizes all of your event types and meeting options. Think of this page as your control center. Anything related to how people can book time with you will start here. Next, on the scheduling page, find the button labeled Create and click on it. This button is used whenever you want to add a new way for people to meet with you, whether that's a one-on-one session, a group event, or something else. In our case, we're setting up a brand new group meeting type. After clicking Create, you'll see different event options. Choose the group option. A group event in Calendly lets multiple people book the same time slot with you, instead of blocking that time off after the first person books. This is perfect for webinars, training sessions, office hours, or any meeting where several participants can join at once. Once you've selected group, you'll be taken to a page where you need to fill in the event details. This step is important, so take your time here. Give your group meeting a clear name that your invitees will understand right away. Add a short description that explains what the meeting is about and what participants should expect or prepare. Choose the location, whether it's a video conferencing link, a physical address, or a phone call. Then, set the duration and adjust the availability to match the days and times you actually want to offer. If needed, you can also limit the maximum number of people who can join each time slot, so your group doesn't get too large. When all the details look good and you're happy with the setup, click on Create. Calendly will